Hello, let's graph a supply curve. A supply curve is the relationship between the price of the product and the amount that you are going to be supplying. We're going to graph here an individual supply curve, which means the supply for one product for one company. So let's say that you are the company and you've got a piece of land and you're making a product, let's say blueberries again. And you're going to see how many blueberries you want to produce and sell at different prices. Now let's say that it costs you between $2 and $3 to make every pint of blueberries. So that means that if in the market the price were $1, you're probably not going to make any blueberries because you would be losing money. At $2 you might make some, you're not going to make a lot of money, if any, and you might offer to the market a very small amount. So let's say at $2 you will be supplying 100 pints of blueberries per, let's say, per month. At $3 it's starting to look a little bit more attractive and you're making a little bit of profit. So you have some incentive to work a little bit harder and make more blueberries. So you might have a point here at $3 where you're going to make 200. At 4, it's looking real good because now you're making lots of profits. You might hire some more people to make some more blueberries because the profits are greater and you can afford to hire some people. So you might be producing 300 pints of blueberries. So we're going to have a point here. It's at the height of 4 and above the quantity of 300. Same thing for 5. You're going to make even more, lots of profit. And so there's a point here. At 5, you can give these points names. You might call them P, Q, R, and S. So these 4 points are all points on the curve. You can graph more points on the curve if you want to use different prices. But let's stick with these. And if you draw a line, wiggly line or a curve, through these points, you would end up with what is called the supply curve. So this is an individual supply curve for an individual producer. If you wanted to get the market supply curve, you would just take every individual supplier's quantities, add them up, so the numbers at the bottom would be bigger, and that would be then your market supply curve.